One thing about me, I definitely like a lot of naps, so I do take breaks when it comes to doing laundry, as you can see. So now I'm up, do some commentary of me doing some laundry. Get up out of bed, I'll have to use the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lift off. Get that energy to get out of bed. It's all on my mind. And God, as you can see, put it first and everything. Look at those skinny legs. Ooh. And then now, pushing the laundry to the washing machine. It's definitely a process. What's going through my mind now is, you got this, Ray. Facing my mountains. And actually I enjoy doing the laundry because I like things to be clean. So it's actually symbolic. As I'm cleaning the laundry, it feels like a sense of accomplishment. Like I did something. Oops, dropped something. I hate when this happens. Spinal cord injuries, it's not good to bend down. My spinal cord doctor, orthopedist, it's not good to bend down. For me, because I have rods in my back. To get the clothes out of the dryer. Oh, put them in the dryer. Taking all the lint out, everything out, putting all clothes in so they can dry. Sometimes it's challenging to bend over and get the clothes. However, I have long arms, play basketball. I have those long athletic arms. Clothes all dry. Let's go. My wife is recording us. Recording me, by the way. And yes, I fold her clothes as well. Okay, now it's time to fold. It's a process. And like I told you before, exactly, break time. There we go. Fold away. everyone. I hope you enjoyed my video of doing laundry. I want to encourage the families, the parents, and spinal cord injuries as well. There is hope. I enjoy doing laundry. It gives me a sense of accomplishment that I accomplished something for the day. I also feel that it adds value to my family, so it feels like I'm doing something versus not doing anything at all. So I find ways to do things that I can contribute, and I enjoy doing those things. However, the feeling of doing domestic work at first was like, not my thing. However, I love doing things that I know that I can do and I do well. So if there's any videos that you want me to do that you want to see, let me know. Drop it down in the comments. Like, subscribe. I greatly appreciate you guys. Thank you for the support.